Want to boost your video performance instantly? Today I will show you how to enable hype in your YouTube studio and how to check your hype score using advanced mode. Let's unlock your channel's hidden power. Here is YouTube official blog where YouTube stated about hype. You can just read it out. I will put the link in the description box. Now let's see how to enable the hype. Log in into your YouTube studio. On the left hand side, click on settings, then click on channel, click on advanced settings, and if you scroll down a little bit, here you will see hype. Let viewers hype my content. Viewers can hype your videos at no cost 3 times a week. So make sure you just enable it and save and close. The next process is how to check your video hypes. Click on analytics, advanced mode. On the left top corner, you will see add comparison. Here select what to compare. First metric, keep views as it is, compare with, type here HY and you will see hype points and hypes. If you click on hypes and click add, here you will see the videos of hypes. First will be views and the second column will be the hypes. If you want to check the points of your hype, again type hype and change the metrics to hype points. So that's it for today's short video. I will see you in the next one.